Guys, let's talk about retirement. Study shows that the average man retires at 65, only to live to the average of 78 years old. A good pension in Maryland is only paying you about $38,000 a year, and that's gross, not net. So this means that you're going to work 30 years on a job for about $3,600 a month or less than $1,000 a week. And again, we're talking about gross, not include taxes, insurance deductions, and all that type of stuff. So a job that pays you over $60,000 a year expects you to live off of half of that. And if you're a man, you're only expected to live 13 years. Man, I can't do it, yo. The math doesn't work for me at all. So I found something else. If this doesn't make sense to you neither, hit me up to see what changes I made. Many people are of retirement, even the word. They are afraid of the quality of their life, that they will not be able to enjoy the same freedoms that they had before when they were living working full-time job. Man, and that's not fair. You should be able to enjoy your life with your family, your grandkids, and everybody else, take trips, and continue to do so the same way you did while you were working for somebody else. I found another way. Send me a message, comment retirement below in the comment section of this video. I'll talk to you, see what I got, if it functions for you, if it works for you, if it's a good fit. If so, let me know. If not, that's cool. Keep doing what you're doing. Thanks for your time. Have a good one.